Hello everyone. I wanted to make this video to talk about a few common terms that we will use as we get into the statistics later this semester. These terms have to do with measurements of central tendency. A common way to say this is different types of averages. There are 3 different types that we will talk about in this class. And as we get into the statistics portion of the course later, you will be asked to identify these in different types of measures that we have in our survey. The first type of central tendency is the mode. The mode is the most common occurring number in a series. There are examples provided to you in the lecture for this week under Stats 3. If we have a series of numbers like 1, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 9, 10, the mode is 4 because we had 3 4s in that series. To find the mode, we just need to order everything and then look for the one that occurs the most common. If we're using a statistical application like SPSS, we can ask SPSS to find the mode for us. That can be helpful if we have a data set with 10,000 participants, which might make it difficult to find the most common number. The second type of central tendency is the median. The median is the number that is the halfway point in a series of numbers. That is the number that has half the numbers above it and half the numbers below it. If we have an odd number of participants, we will have a single mode. For instance, if we have 11 participants, we would have 5 below, 5 above, and the mode right in the middle. If we have an even number of participants, we will have 2 modes. That is, if we had 10 participants, we would have 2 numbers in the middle, and then half below and half above. Finally, the last measure of central tendency is the mean. The mean is what we would call the traditional average. To calculate the mean, you add up all of the responses and divide it by the number of participants. This tells us the average or the mean. It's important for you to know the difference between these 3 measurements of central tendency because they will be on the exam and we will use them throughout our statistical analysis later this semester. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.